Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see your top artists on Spotify, so let's get right into it. For this, I'll be using the Quora article, so let's just go over a few answers, and let me show you two methods which I have found. Now, as you can see, the AI assistant has found a very nice way to see this, and the way you can see your top artists is open up the app, and once you're logged in, you need to go into your account and go into your library section. Once you're here, you just need to select made for you and then choose your top artists of whichever year you would like, and this will display the most streamed artists on Spotify for the selected year, and that should be it. Now keep in mind, I'm pretty sure this is your specific top artists. It is not global. There is a, I think, leaderboard or chart which you can see to see the top artists of that year in general, but this is for your top artists specifically. Now, other than that, you can do a separate method, and firstly, of course, you need to open the app or the web player and click on your portrait art icon in the top right and select profile, and here you can view the most listened artists, playlists, and songs on Spotify, and again, they are connected specifically to you and nobody else. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.